Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the airdroid application to transfer files from your mobile phone to your computer without using a USB. As you can see here, I've just connected my phone to the computer and I can transfer files from my phone to the computer. So if I send any file on my phone through the airdroid app, it will come here. So let me now show you how to do the connection. First of all, you go to your either Play Store or the App Store, and then you look for the airdroid application. You install it. After you install it, when you come, for my own, I have already logged in. If you haven't logged in, it will ask you to log in. So if it asks you to log in and you don't have an account, just click on sign up. Then you sign up and log in. If you come to this place, you see I have signed in with my email and then my name and all that. So if you haven't signed in, you have to first sign in. After you sign in, you come to the transfer and then go to the top. You will see airdroid web. So you click on the airdroid web. Now when you click on it, it will ask you to either go to web.airdroid.com. So you can go to web.airdroid.com, or you can download the application. So when you download the application on the computer, that is if you go to your computer that you want to transfer the files to. When you go to your computer and you install the app, you will be asked to scan a code. So you will now, from here, you now use your QR code scanner here to scan the code on your computer, and they will automatically connect it. If you are not able to do that, then you can go to your web browser and type web.airdroid.com on your web browser, and then you will be able to get the QR code you are supposed to scan. Then you will scan it, and after you scan it, let me just show you. After you scan it, you will now come to on the device. When you connect successfully, when you come here, you see the device. So you click the device you want to connect. Okay. So example, I'll click on hi. As you see, it has just been sent to the computer. Let me show you the computer interface. So the hi I sent, this is it. Let's say I want to send a picture. Let me just send one picture, and then we see it. And this one is very fast and it's not also that cumbersome. So I've just sent one picture. As you see, it is there. So when I send it, within just a millisecond, it is sent automatically. So they don't use USB. And after it is sent here, they automatically save it in your documents. Okay. So let me show you that. You go to your documents, you will see the airdroid folder, and inside it, you see public staging. So inside the public staging, any image that you send will show there. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. And if you have any problem doing this, you can leave your comments in the comment section, and then I'll follow up to help you. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.